Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about acid reflux and how to fix it with detox. Now, acid reflux is simply when you consume a food, let's say a protein and a carbohydrate, the body produces hydrochloric acid for the protein, and it produces bicarbonate as well. Okay, so the pancreas produces bicarbonate, but if it's something wrong with the pancreas, then it produces less bicarbonate, so the acid is predominant. So the acid will tend to burn or have that burning sensation in your stomach. Taking over-the-counter pill is not a solution because it suppresses the problem. The problem is that you have lymphatic stagnation, interstitial lymphatic stagnation, and you need to fix that. And the way to fix the lymph, as you may know by now, is to use the fruits. You gotta stop eating the proteins that are commanding the hydrochloric acid to be produced. You gotta stop consuming milk, dairy products, cooked starches. And you gotta consume the fruits. The fruits are going to get your lymphatic system more fluid and moving. Okay, this is going to help you alleviate that issue. Also, you want to clean your GI tract. Okay, your GI tract, if it's impacted or if it's obstructed, it makes the situation worse. Once the GI tract is clear, the acids can drain out quickly from your system and from your stomach as well. Okay, so fix the GI tract. Use a GI broom, which is the activated charcoal, bentonite clay, and the psyllium husk. You want to take the right kind of herbs to make sure your kidneys are filtering, because if your kidneys are not filtering, all those acids cannot leave the body, and therefore they will tend to burn tissue, burn organs, and it makes the situation worse. So if you want to help yourself with acid reflux, you have to get the body alkaline. Okay, you have to reduce the acids in your body that are causing the problem to begin with, and you got to possibly take pancreatic herbs to help the pancreas produce more bicarbonate to counteract any acids that are overpowering the stomach. Okay, so I hope this helped you. There's more of this coming your way.